Hi guys, new acquisition today. Supposedly an ultimate tool. This might look like a Balisong, but a Balisong, depending on your area, it might be illegal in your area. But I'm pretty sure that anywhere in the U.S. a bottle opener is not. So let's see how this thing flips. Open, close. Doing it slowly. Open, close. So reverse grip. Open, close. The balance is actually not that bad at all for a bottle opener. Close. As I said, this thing is like brand new. It might take a little while to get used to it. Close, open. Putting it to good use.